Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Bitrix24 Connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now enter the domain of your Bitrix24 account. Now copy the redirect URI from here. Click User icon button present at top of the page to generate client ID and secret. It will open the Bitrix24 login page. Log in with your account. Now click Applications, then Developer Resources. Now click Other and go to Local Application. Select Server. Enter Redirect URI in your handler path. Select the checkbox Script Only. Click Save. Now copy Client ID, paste in Module Setting in respected field. Now copy Client Secret, paste in Module Setting in respected field. Click Save. Now click Keys button to generate tokens. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that tokens are generated. There are a few more fields in module setting like Start Date to Sync Orders. This field will set the date from which OpenCart orders will sync to Bitrix24. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of OpenCart orders that will be synced to Bitrix24. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the Bitrix24 menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from OpenCart to Bitrix24. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Bitrix24 also. See customers are present in Bitrix24. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in Bitrix24. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@OpenCartCity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.